More PlayStation 5s are coming, Will. I know you were so concerned about this. You were genuinely worried. You said, man, I feel for these people with the pre-order fiasco.
Yeah, it was a headache. I mean, I got firsthand experience trying to order the Xbox. And I was there for 10 minutes and the site crashed.
It was the same thing over again.
Yeah.
It happened first with the PlayStation, then the Xbox. People are going crazy. Next-gen gaming, we talked about it. Well, apparently, Sony's going to make good on their promise and their apology. They came out and said, look, we're sorry, we're going to make more available. And they're going to restock some of the big retailers starting Friday in the US, the UK, and Canada. Now, I'm going to give you the inside scoop right here where you should be looking. So, the store Game in the UK has confirmed it will have stock starting tomorrow, only online, not in physical stores for pre-orders. Don't bother going to the physical stores. Not that you would. And they will have the digital edition as part of their offering, which is news because that was hard. That one was impossible to get. So they're going to have some digital and some disc, presumably more with the disc. In Canada, Walmart Canada is also going to have stock starting tomorrow. Doesn't say whether or not it's going to be digital or the full-fledged. At this point, I think you got to get what you get.
Yeah. And just to warn the audience, I mean, today is tomorrow.
Yes, this is Friday, the 25th of September. So when you're watching this, you got to go look right now.
Yeah.
Because this is going to publish right in the morning. So you got to start monitoring this thing right now, immediately after you watch this.
It doesn't show specific times, eh?
No times. Just that's the day. There is no time. Friday, the 25th of September, 2020. In the US, GameStop said it's receiving a new wave of PS5 consoles, but they are only getting the version with the disc drive. The other thing to note, because this is the second wave, no longer is launch day guaranteed. You may get it on launch day, but you may not. They're not going to guarantee it to you. Like I said, at this point, you get what you get. You can't really complain too much about it. And what else is there to say? That's it. You gotta refresh these websites on Friday. Today, when you're watching, you got to refresh these websites if you want to take a shot at getting one of these. Unfortunately for me, the digital edition, which is the one I was interested in, seems to be, that's the unicorn. But of course, we're in a different position because you're just going to keep harassing Sony because we're going to make a video and we'll find a way to get it done. But for those of you that need to get one of these units, keep an eye on those retailers.